Imagine stepping into a workshop from the future. Tools so smart, they cut with laser precision, carve like artists, and build joints with zero effort. In the next few minutes, we're revealing 19 genius inventions that will completely change the way you work with wood. First up, imagine the power of a full-sized saw packed into a tool that fits in your hand. Meet the mini laser-guided circular saw, Innerqualit. Its best feature is the built-in laser guide. Just align the red beam with your mark, and it guides your cut with absolute precision, like a GPS for your blade. Its 4-amp motor spins the blade at 3,500 RPM, and you can adjust the cutting depth up to 43 millimeters. The set even includes a vacuum adapter, so your workspace stays spotless. All for just $23. Now for a brilliant find for anyone working on decks. The Hidden Deck Screw Jig trend makes every single screw completely vanish from sight. Its guides are engineered at a clever 50-degree angle, making the fasteners invisible for a flawless finish. It's like a magic trick for your deck boards. Built-in spacers automatically create perfect gaps for water drainage, and it even has a spot to store the drill right in its housing. For $70, you get professional, clean results every time. Tired of cords holding you back? Milwaukee has created the cordless Powerhouse saw Milwaukee that performs just like a corded model. Its brushless motor holds a steady 6,300 RPM, even under heavy loads, refusing to bog down. The smart electronics prevent it from overheating, and a single battery delivers up to 700 cuts, enough for a full day's work. An electric brake stops the blade instantly, and a built-in LED light makes your cutting line perfectly clear. It's priced at $398. Why settle for standard joints when you can create works of art? The artistic joint templates Isolock turn basic connections into stunning design features. With 3 templates offering 6 unique patterns, you can craft decorative half-blind, through, and end-on-end joints with beautiful organic shapes. Swapping templates takes just a minute, and the CNC machined accuracy is down to hundredths of a millimeter. For $340, it's a testament to true craftsmanship. This is a must-have for any spoon or bowl carver. The Self-Sharpening Ball Gouge Arbortech, a 30mm Powerhouse, shapes perfect concave surfaces in seconds. It's like a high-speed ice cream scoop for wood. The circular blade actually sharpens itself during use and can be rotated or replaced. Plus, its anti-grab technology prevents it from digging in, giving you total control. It fits most angle grinders and is a game changer for just $130. Jet's engineers have solved the biggest headache with scroll saws, changing the blade. Their top mechanism on the vibration-free scroll saw Jet clamps and tensions the blade in one simple motion. The arm tilts 45 degrees left or right while the table stays perfectly level, ensuring ultimate cutting accuracy. Its heavy cast-iron table, the size of a small laptop desk, completely eliminates any vibration. There's even a foot pedal, freeing your hands to work like a sculptor. Forget noisy compressors and tangled air hoses. The cordless framing nailer Metabo gives you complete freedom. Its powerful mechanical spring drives 5-centimeter nails with the punch of a pneumatic gun. On a single charge, it can drive 700 nails, and it weighs just 2.5 kilograms. The built-in LED light illuminates your target, and the depth adjusts without any tools. For around $120, you can finally cut the cord. Speaking of freedom, if you're enjoying this look at game-changing tools, hit that like button to let us know. Want to know a wood's moisture level instantly? The Precision Moisture Meter, Tesman, looks like a thick pen, but measures with lab-level accuracy. Just press the 2 sharp probes into the wood, and the screen instantly shows the moisture percentage. It has 7 modes for different materials, from oak to plaster. The display even changes color: green for dry, orange for normal, and red for wet. It's a pocket-sized scientist for only $17. Carrying a full sheet of plywood alone is torture, but the one-person panel carrier Kreg changes the game. With this simple tool, one person can easily move a 1.2 by 2.4 meter sheet weighing up to 45 kilograms. The large coated pads automatically adjust to the panel's thickness, Thanks to physics, the more you lift, the tighter it grips. The ergonomic handle is padded so it doesn't dig into your hand, a true back saver. Popular Mechanics rated this push block the best on the market, and for good reason. With the Smart Hook Push Block Micro Jig, Smart Hooks automatically drop down to hold the end of a board and retract on their own when they're not needed. It's all powered by gravity. The block's green coating grips the workpiece like glue, and you can even turn it 90 degrees for vertical work on a router table. For $29, it's a major upgrade in safety and control. Now anyone can drill professional-grade pocket holes. The dust-collecting pocket hole jig, PowerTech from PowerTech, does the job perfectly. Its built-in dust port connects to your vacuum, clearing away shavings instantly for a clean workspace. The engraved scales won't fade after years of use, and the base is removable, so the jig becomes portable in seconds. The set comes with everything you need, including 50 screws. At $80, it's an investment that pays for itself. The legendary multi-position utility saw, Allway, has been a workshop staple since 1935. Its pistol-style grip fits comfortably in your hand, while the blade locks securely into 4 different positions. This saw can get into tight spaces where other tools simply can't reach. It comes with 2 blades, one for metal and one for wood, and weighs only 90 grams, about the same as a smartphone. At just $7, it's a testament to timeless design. What's the cheapest, most useful tool in your collection? Drop it in the comments below. This next tool is a true feat of engineering. The precision plow plane, Levoit, features a stainless steel housing that is CNC machined with extreme precision. It cuts perfect grooves from 3 to 12 millimeters wide and 13 millimeters deep. The beautiful rosewood stock holds the tool firmly, while its T10 steel blades, with an impressive hardness of 60 to 64 HRC, stay sharp for months. It's a premium tool for woodworkers who demand perfection. Here's a clever device for any router table. The one-way locking rollers, JessEm, are set at a 5-degree angle, automatically pressing the board against the fence and freeing up your hands. The bearings spin in only one direction, which completely eliminates dangerous kickback. The polyurethane pads hold the wood gently but firmly. The entire body is CNC machined from solid aluminum with hardened steel shafts, making it virtually indestructible. This scroll saw can do something no other can. The 90-degree rotating scroll saw, can rotate its blade 90 degrees, meaning your cut length is truly unlimited. You can adjust the speed from 400 to 1,600 strokes per minute with a single lever, and its cast iron base kills vibrations at the source. It even has an air pump to blow away sawdust and a flexible LED light to brighten your work area. A uniquely versatile machine for just $130. Imagine a jig that sets itself up. That's the Auto-Adjusting Pocket Hole Jig, Armor. It automatically measures the thickness of your workpiece and adjusts the guide and the clamp accordingly. There are no rulers or manual calibration needed. It's like having a tiny robot ensuring perfect pocket holes every time. Its color-coded system tells you instantly which screw to use, and the set includes 50 screws and a vacuum port for $83. Once again, Milescraft delivers a smart solution. The precision saw guide system, Milescraft, turns an ordinary circular saw into a CNC-like cutting machine. The all-aluminum frame won't warp like plastic competitors. The base length is 127 centimeters, but you can add extensions for any cutting length. A red strip marks exactly where the cut will be and protects against chipping, while non-slip strips and T-clamps hold the workpiece firmly. For $100, it brings incredible precision to a standard tool. Many consider this the king of woodworking joints. The ultimate woodworking joiner, Festool Domino, has a cutting head that both rotates and oscillates, creating perfect mortises for its tenons. The stop can be set from 0 to 90 degrees and locks in with a single click. Its positioning system is so precise that making a mistake is practically impossible. Plus, the built-in vacuum removes shavings immediately, leaving the joint clean and ready for a rock-solid glue bond. From a $7 saw that fits in your pocket to a $4,000 table saw with space-grade technology, the future of woodworking is all about precision, safety, and efficiency. These innovative woodworking tools aren't just gadgets, they're problem solvers that empower you to create with more accuracy and confidence than ever before. If today's video sparked some ideas for your own workshop, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. We've got even more incredible inventions coming soon. Click here to watch our video on the most genius workshop layouts and let us know what you think. Until next time, keep building.